Beautiful and versatile, this home is perfect whether you're looking for an in-law suite, income potential, or looking to live your downtown dream.
Welcome inside 66 Charlotte Street.
First is the great room with a new powder bathroom and the beautiful kitchen offering granite countertops.
From there, you'll find the dining and sitting areas with a pellet stove and patio doors to the spacious backyard.
This level also has the secondary kitchen, perfect for an in-law suite, income potential, or a butler's pantry.
Finishing off this side, you'll find a bedroom, a full bathroom, and another living room. As well as being just steps away from amenities like grocery stores, parks, and downtown, this home also has ductless heat pumps and natural gas heat.
Upstairs, you'll find 3 more bedrooms and a renovated bathroom with a soaker tub.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 66 Charlotte Street,
visit frederictonhomes.com.